Children, yesterday we studied about acceleration. What is acceleration? Change in velocity divided by time. Okay, acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time, and the formula is a equal to v minus u upon t. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us solve some more examples based on this formula. Okay, let me take numerical 1. Now in numerical 1, a car travels with a speed of 20 meter per second and changes its speed to 90 km per hour in 5 minutes. Find its acceleration. The very first thing what you have to do is first write whatever is given in the numerical. So a car travels with a speed of 20 meter per second, means what is given? Initial velocity u equal to 20 meter per second, and changes its speed to 90 kilometer per hour, means v is 90 kilometer per hour. Now see, u was given in meter per second and then v is in 90 kilometer per hour. So convert in standard unit, that is meter per second. Now for converting kilometer per hour in meter per second, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, when you multiply by 5 by 18, you will get the answer 25 meter per second. What is the time given? 5 minutes. 5 minutes means how many seconds? 300 seconds. Okay, I did not write s there, so you have to write s also there. Now formula, acceleration equal to v minus u upon t, that is 25 minus 20 upon 300. So 25 minus 25 divided by 300. Now 5 and 300 will go in 5 table, so it will come 1 by 60. Now divide it and you will get the answer 0.016 meter per second square. Clear? Next. Numerical 2. A train is traveling with a velocity of 36 km per hour, changes to 18 km per hour in 2 minutes. Find the acceleration. The train was traveling, so its initial velocity is given 36 km per hour. Now final velocity is 18 km per hour. Now the time is in minutes, but both are in kilometer per hour. But if the time was in hours, we could have directly done everything as it is. But now time is in minutes, so we have to convert everything in standard unit. So convert u in standard unit, v in standard unit, and time in seconds. Okay. Now use the formula a equal to v minus u upon t. Put the values and find the answer. This you practically do it and show. Okay, practically do it and see and tell me how did you get this answer. Okay. Next, a body starts from rest and accelerates at the rate of 2 meter per second square. What is its velocity after 20 seconds? Anything that starts from rest is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. And here acceleration is given. Accelerates at the rate of. See, you by seeing the unit and you can understand whether velocity is given or acceleration is given. See, here it is given 2 meter per second square. So a is given 2 meter per second square. V you have to find. Time is in seconds. So directly use the formula a equal to v minus u upon t. Put the values and find the answer. So you'll get the answer 40 meter per second. Okay, solve it and see. Next, some things you have to, important things you have to note down. If in the question is starting from rest, then u will be 0. If it is stopping, then v is equal to 0. And time, if we have to find, it is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by acceleration. It did not come proper here, but it is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by acceleration. And if the negative acceleration is there, then it is retardation. Okay, clear? So I'll give some more problems as worksheet to do. Solve it and send me on my personal number. Okay, bye.